Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Signing PDF documents no longer requires special software. You can do it right inside your Microsoft Edge browser. This incredible built-in feature makes managing your digital paperwork so much easier, saving you both time and effort. We are going to walk you through a quick, straightforward process to add your signature to any PDF document with absolute ease. Get ready to streamline your digital signing experience starting today. To begin, you need to open your desired PDF document directly within Microsoft Edge. The easiest way is to locate your file, then right-click on it, choose Open With, and finally select Microsoft Edge from the options presented. An even quicker method is to just drag and drop your PDF file straight into an already open Edge browser window. Either way, once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Once your PDF is open, look towards the top of the browser window for the PDF Viewer's toolbar. You'll need to locate and click the Draw tool, which is typically represented by a small pen icon. Before you start, you have the flexibility to choose your favorite color and adjust the line thickness, ensuring your signature looks exactly how you want it. This step prepares you perfectly for adding your personal mark. Now, with the Draw tool active, it is time to carefully create your signature. Position your cursor where you want to sign, then use your mouse or trackpad to draw your unique mark. Remember to take your time and aim for clarity, making sure it looks just right. Should you make an accidental mark or a mistake, simply click the Erase tool nearby to quickly tidy it up. The final and most crucial step is to save your document to ensure your signature is permanently embedded. Look for the Save icon, often resembling a classic floppy disk, positioned conveniently in the toolbar. Simply click that to commit your changes. If you prefer to keep an original unsigned copy, then choose the Save as option instead. Now your signed PDF is ready to be shared or filed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.